In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to send photos on Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop and select the conversation where you want to send the photo. Once you're inside the chat, look near the message box at the bottom of the window. You'll see an attachment button that you can use to add files and media. Click the attachment button, and a file selection window will appear on your computer. Now, find the photo you want to send. Browse through your folders and select the image you want to share. After selecting the photo, click Open. Telegram will then show you a preview of the photo before sending it. This gives you an opportunity to make sure you selected the correct image. If everything looks correct, click the Send button. The photo will now be sent to the conversation, and you'll see it appear in the chat. There's also another simple way to send photos using Telegram Desktop. If the photo is already saved somewhere on your computer, you can drag the image directly from its folder and drop it into the Telegram conversation. After dropping the photo into the chat, Telegram will display the image before sending it. Check the preview, add a caption if needed, and then click Send. You can also select multiple photos at the same time. When you open the file selection window, select the images you want to share, then click Open. Once the photos have been sent, they will appear directly in the chat. And that's it. You're now a pro at sharing photos on Telegram Desktop. If this quick guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more workflow tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.